Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business website hero section using RGB in Photoshop. The hero section sets the first impression. RGB refinement ensures accurate color rendering on screens. Highlights become balanced. Shadows feel natural. Business branding remains consistent. RGB tuning improves contrast between text and background. The layout feels premium and welcoming. Visual hierarchy guides the viewer instantly. Trust and clarity increase through controlled color balance. The final hero section supports strong brand positioning.